Bit higher, Edward.
Bit high so we can eat it.
There we go. Got some more.
Oh, Charlie, what's this? Donkeys.
Hold it up.
Oh. Yeah. Have you got it?
Yeah.
It's still recording.
You follow Charlie.
I love it.
Want to go, friend? No, they're quite big, aren't they, those goats?
I hit you to my
You're
finger.
going to feed another one. Feed the one next to him.
No, I'm sure there's a place outside.
You're going to feed the next one? Yeah. Feed that one. Okay, let's go and feed another one.